The SSC CGL Tier 1 live mock has been conducted on the Oliveboard platform, and I'm here to discuss with you the complete solutions of the logical reasoning section. Let's quickly start the same. So this is the very first question. Some twists here and there on easy questions though. But overall, you will find some sort of different questions as well, right? So let's go through the very first one. If not allowed in RHEST, it becomes relax. But when brought back in CECK, it means to examine. What is it? They are talking about a letter. They have presented it as a riddle. And they are talking about a single letter. So if I remove it from this, it should imply relaxation. And if I add that letter here, it should imply examine. It's clearly visible, CHECK, check. And if I remove H from here, I'll get my answer. So it's just visualization. But why would a person take 80 seconds to solve this? Is because the person needs to understand what has been asked. Okay, because usually you won't find questions which are formed in the riddle formats in the reasoning section, right? So anything, see, the only criteria here is, the only approach here is for you to understand, for you to be able to tackle anything which comes for the first time. Okay, you should be able to handle surprises. That's what this is for. Now this question, I think something was misinterpreted. I don't know what. If you read the question says the sentence below has a word in which the letters are jumbled up. Okay. Rearrange the letters of that word written in capital letters to form the correct word. Technically, they shouldn't have given this V here. This V was an incorrect letter, I believe. A misprint here. Okay. So then letter was the correct arrangement only. Right? So I mean this question, something seems to be off or wrong about it. Right? So I think it was a good guess which was taken. Letter was the correct answer. I need to mail the dash by noon. It has to be letter. But this question, I think something is incorrect here. Not fitting the bill. Okay, letter series. If you just observe this one. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21. So this is gone. Then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is 11. So everything is 11 only. You don't have to check it. And 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 7, 24 plus 8, 32. 32 is F. UF 11. Option C is the right answer. Okay, 43 seconds. Next. 49 people facing south. Sheenam is 12th from the left. Sheenam is 12th from the left end. And Rohini is 24th from the right. So this is 36. So this is less, no? 24th from the right is Rohini. 5 persons are between Sheenam and Arjun. Arjun is to the left of Sheenam. What is position of Arjun from the left end? This thing, I think this was not even required here. So 12 minus 5, it has to be 7th from the left hand, no? If Sheenam is, Sheenam is, they are all south facing. So it would be from that side, but that would not make a difference, I believe. Right? Sheenam and Arjun, if Sheenam is 12th from the left and Arjun, 5 people are between them. So Arjun has to be 7th from the left. No? No, say 6th from the left, sorry. This is Arjun, there will be 5 people in between and then she will be 12th. 6 plus 5 plus 1. So 6th from the left has to be correct answer. You didn't need the other person's data at all. You didn't need Rohini's data. It was given to confuse you. Okay. 58 seconds. Next. Find the missing number. 12, 192, 117. Just subtract 144. This is very close to the square. If I subtract 144, I am left with 48. So probably 12 square plus 12 into 4. There is a possibility. Let me try 17 square plus 17 into 4. What do I get? 289, 68. 357. Absolutely right. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. 24 seconds. Nice. Next. A is the son-in-law of T. S is the grandmother of V. Q is the daughter of X. V is the brother of Q. X is the wife of A. T and S are married couples. How is X related to S? X is the daughter of S. Easy. 56 seconds. That's too much for a simple question, guys. Need to bring it down. Statement says, should the government give a 20% tax rebate to households that install rooftop solar panels? There are two arguments. The first argument presented before you says that yes, it will encourage adoption of clean energy and can reduce pressure on the power grid during daytime, which is a strong argument, I believe. That yes, if you do give these subsidies, if these tax rebates, what is going to happen is more and more people are going to get encouraged to switch to cleaner energy. Second one says no, such rebates can reduce tax revenue and may mostly benefit households that can already afford the large upfront cost. This is also a valid thing because somebody who can already afford to install a solar installation, a panel at home for the electricity needs, they are already well versed. So they don't need to be encouraged. And the tax money is also going to waste. You are also not collecting enough taxes. So this argument is also strong. Okay, whether this is the right course of action or not is a different statement altogether. But this argument in itself is strong. So both are strong is my correct approach here. 30 seconds. Next. Address, we need to check which two addresses are absolutely similar. Look at the options and simultaneously keep looking at the. So Kankarbaag division, it's all here, comma, second floor, all here. Nikita Palaces, all here, second foot. So this is gone. Okay, Nikita Palaces, Maharashtra. The spelling of Maharashtra is incorrect here. So these are the only two left, B and C. You don't have to check any further. B and C are the exact similar ones. Okay, 46 seconds. Next. Okay. Letter series, let's complete them vertically if we can. So first is C. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Nothing else is common. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 3 into 6, 6 into 3, 2 into 9, 9 into 2. Definitely not these two. Probably somewhere here. 3 CCJ, but I can't find a repetition here. So 6 into 3 is the most probable one, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, starting from C, ending with L. So CCJW. CCJW. So can it be CCJW? W. W. CCJWL. Works. So CW, CJL, CW. CW, CJL, CW. Option A fulfills the answer. Cool. 55 seconds. Not bad. Could have been shorter, but. Okay. Which one will be the figure which will open up? See here, if you see this, when this will open up here, this square will repeat itself here and this circle will go here. This square, there is no square here. There is square will repeat itself, circle will go here. Circle will go here, circle will go here. This is how it's going to look like. Right? Which is there in figure. Option B. Option B is a clear answer here. Nobody can go wrong. Okay. Everything else is not matching what is supposed to be matched. But probably in haste, there was an error made here. And after taking 41 seconds, the answer given by the topper got to be was incorrect. So learn your lessons from these, not only from your mistakes, but from the mistakes of others as well. Now, looking at the letters, probably it might be difficult to figure it out. We can see it is starting from 4 in two cases. So start from 4. 4 is C. C, 6, 2, CAS and 4, 2, 6, CSA. CSA is very difficult to go ahead. If I go ahead with this, HEWS, option A is the correct answer, cashews. Okay, 57 seconds. Next. A is less than S. So we can connect both of these. A is greater than equal to J. J is less than K, which is equal to L is less than equal to S. Of course, they are not connected. And Q is greater than L. Q is greater than equal to J. We can write Q also here. Same problem, no relation between them. So neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. 40 seconds. Next. Some dollar is real. No rupee is real. All euro is rupee. No euro is real, absolutely correct. No euro is dollar. No, I cannot conclude that. I cannot conclude that. Some dollar is rupee is a possibility. Some dollar being rupee is a possibility, absolutely right. That's also true. And no rupee is dollar. No, I cannot conclude that. Okay. So only 1 and 3 will follow. Conclusion 1 and 3 will follow. 41 seconds. Next. Mirror image. So M will flip like this. 5 will flip next. This is off the lines now. Next is L. This is off the lines. L, A, hash, not D. After A, we have hash here. So figure 2 is the correct answer. Pretty easy question. 20 seconds. No, but 20 seconds, this was unattempted. Probably the question was skipped by error. Okay, this can also happen. Be careful. Contrary, dissimilar, fallacy, mistake. They are all synonyms. On the contrary or dissimilar to each other. On some fallacy or some mistake. Merit, dishonor, mutual, distinct. They are all opposite. Genuine, factual are kind of synonyms. So option C is the correct answer. Next, how many quadrilaterals? This is actually a good question. And this might seem confusing here and haywire. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 already with us. Okay. Apart from that, if you see these figures, they are not quadrilaterals. They are all 5-sided figures. Now the next one is, if you observe this one, 1, 2, 3. The 3 more. Now if I pick this one up, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, I'm sure I'm missing out on a lot of other things. Yeah, 1, of course the main one. And what else are we missing out on? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We are at 16. We have 19. Did we counted this little one? No? 1, 2, 3, no. Yeah, we counted this, I believe. Or we didn't. If we did count this, I believe. Yeah, we did. Okay, yeah, this whole thing we did not count. 1. This one we didn't count only. We are getting 17. We are still missing out on 2 more. Okay. There are 19 in all. We're missing some 2 quadrilaterals. Anyways, we'll look at this later on. Next. This is 50. This is 34. This is 25. This is 21. Take the difference. This is 16. This is 9. This is 4. So next one is 1. So 20. So 260. We are increasing, right? Option A. See, difference is 50, 34, 25, 21, 20. I mean 20, 50, 34, 25, 21. And if you take the double difference, 16, 9, 4. So this is perfect squares. 4 square, 3 square, 2 square. So 1 square will be the next. So 260 should be our correct answer. Okay. 47 seconds it took and the answer was incorrect again. This paper was good for a lot of people. Okay, let's replace this and see. So 5 divide means minus, 18 plus means into, 9 into means divide, 8 minus means plus, 16 plus means into 20 upon 1 by 4 plus means into 12 plus means into 16 into means divide 8. Okay, this is 3, this is 2, 3 to 6. So the denominator has 6. 5 minus 18 into 9 divided by 8 plus 16 is 24 into 20. So 18 into 9 divided by 24 into 20. This is how it's going to look like. So 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3, 135 minus 130 by 6, which is minus 65 by 3. Option D. Good question. Usually we have 88 seconds. Too much to solve. Too much time to solve this. To be faster than that. Two 37, 196, 41, 41, 41, 41, 73. Arithmetic progression. Simply reduce 41. Option C is the correct answer. Vikram said to Megha, that man addressing the crowd is the son of the only daughter of your fathers. Megha's father's daughter of your father's mother. A daughter is the son. That man. This is Megha. How is the speaker related to Megha? Cousin. He could have done it without drawing the figure also actually. Speaker is a cousin, so it is gender neutral. We don't know the gender of Megha, but that does not make a difference any which ways. Which will balance the equation? The first one. First vertical sign is division here. So you'll put division here. So this is 64. Next one, division divided by 8. Let's confirm this one. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 6 minus 3 is never going to give you your answer. So this is gone. The next one is product now. 64 multiplied by 8. But we have another division here. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 64 into 4 is 128 again. 256 again. And here it is 64 into 8. 480 plus. Plus 2 divided by 6. 1 by 3 minus 3. This is also gone. So this till here everything is fine. 256 plus 6 minus 3. Option A is the correct answer. 259. Okay. 36 seconds. Perfect. Next. 4591. So we have a difference of 46. Oh no, it's getting doubled, no? See, 90, 180, 360 is getting doubled. 45 multiplied by 2, 90 plus 1. 91 multiplied by 2, 182 plus 1. 183 multiplied by 2, 366 plus 1. So 1471 into 2 plus 1. So this is 28, 2942 plus 1, 2943. Option B. This is being doubled and added, increased by 1. Simple series, 16 seconds. Excellent. Next. Thames, England, Nile, Egypt, Alaska, USA, Yangtze, China. They are all rivers. Alaska is not a river, obviously. It can be a state or a mountain range. So option C is the odd one out. 24. Okay. Let's look at how the code is written. So AJRTONE N-I-A-U-B. Is it? No. Okay, sorry. A-J-R-T-O-B-U-A-I-N. Exactly. So ACMLS. ACMLS. It's only here. Option A is the right answer. 48 seconds. Final question for today. How is K related to L? K hash M. K is the daughter of M. M asterisk R. M is the husband of R. R hash L. R is the daughter of L. How is K related to L? L's daughter's daughter. Granddaughter. Okay. 47 seconds. So it's pretty easy. You could have done it in 30 also. So that's about it. Quick power pack session for you to understand what sort of questions were asked and where the questions themselves could have been wrong. So where you cannot expect such questions in the exam. But the main thing is how to tackle if anything new comes up your way in your examination. If you're new on the Oliveboard platform, hit the subscribe button right away. Stay tuned for more such regular sessions which we keep bringing out so that you can be at par your SSC CGL preparation. Thank you so much for watching live, guys. Do like the session, share it across platforms so that others can also benefit from this. I'll see you around on the next session. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind.